Party in the some shops we not take back chat. Yes, girl, I get. And if then me the gang 9 months she get. Yeah, I'm in a lazy. I regain. Small weed. What we do? How you can defend themselves when afraid of me? Show up your name, sir. Representing my beer, my place. All boundaries. Wine farm, worries. They say all don't like it from a show up your name, sir. Because some start to tell them this. We must sleep when we run. Why you hype with a girl when we run out? We just run out. Why is it in them? Through the blood and the flips from it. I'm gonna be a some shop in a some shop square in a some shop. Free up, free up, free up, free up, yes. Free up, free up, free up. I'm saying no soldier they are prison. I'm gonna sing up. So we now go to jail again. I will never feel again. Like a ship we are gonna see it again. You will never see me now. We step out and run the road for sure. There's some shops we are. Yeah, so me say if you ever been to jail everybody coming out of the city. They're not going she a white and black up. Grace man I want the fire road up black up. Put right there so you fit up and catch. Waistline tell time when you kick and black up. Style you no short and no feel up up. Love how you sexy you run off and go. Shots here and there and say I was a medal bully. Yeah ladies them want wine. I'm gonna be this. The second city thing hot. And I love how the ladies them carve out. See it now? Ladies just want to make it tick. Make it talk. Make it tick, make it talk, make it see it now. Personally, professionally, close up my yacht conditionally. So pretty you still like a Barbie. Grab a punch I like my Barbie. Let's see what you tell them basically. Good legalize of a basically. Step back on me so technical. Yes, yeah. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Everybody and Mobile can defend themselves. Straight up. You know what things say? Big up everybody, big up all of the hustlers, the people who want to make them money and make them life, yeah? Big up on yourself. Peace officers, big up on yourself also. This is RGR. I know we have got you on a past show. Big up all of the artists them too, yeah? Yeah man, because I want occupation. And we have to make a piece of cabbage. We have to make a piece of kalalua, we have to make a gungo. Because we have bills. But at the end of the day, we have to defend ourselves. Because more time when we make a cheese, you have some rat. We tell you our streets everywhere we go. Now them serious. Like Mobile not nervous. Let me tell you. Man we call like a Eskimo. Sounds focus. Mobile, see them. We tell them this. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe off her and jack. You can't stop the food, me no matter about you and me no care about that, yeah. Can't talk enough. Say you run place, I run, you run round. I say must be a action back, some boy only full of. See there, enough of them stay. Enough of them stay. Oh, enough of them stairs, oh. Oh, you chat them, I chat no action. Enough of them stairs, oh. Enough of of them stay so, boy. Enough of them stay so. Hey, my boy, me want to help me sing the part because some boy love art. Guess what? Empty barrel and make nice and them and can't step to mobile cause all of the dog them a real man's my day, yeah, yeah. Some have a one piece of metal and a post but them not bad man from nowhere. Yes, you can't this flank and won't see them a boog. Tell them enough of them stairs. Hold on there. So, you know what if you move? Yeah man, as me say, big up the angel, big up Shani, big up Maka, Diamond, big up all of the artists, them, big up especially the people them on the right side. You know the thing said, cause I bring that piece of vibe, you know. Me want to sit there right now. All of the people them over there, so the taxi man them out there, so the hustler them, you want to sell the peanut out, so the cane man, jelly brother over there, so yeah man, the people them right there, so everybody on the stage. All who love Jamaica put one hand on the ear, so. Not take it down. A Sam Sharp square this. National anthem of Jamaica, see it here. Street style. Love Jamaica, me not. I'm just whispering, we always fly out. Whether we're there a yard or abroad, some sharp square, so we're making up Jamaica. RJR. Out of the tree, the glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when we're ready. We want peace and love in Jamaica. We want enough money in Jamaica. Everybody we have our sing so now. Them for no say busy this. Tropical. Big round of applause for Busy Signal and all the artists and the RJR Cross Country Invasion. Montego be a Sam Sharp Square has been really done enough love. RJR Cross Country Invasion. Catch us at the next stop.